Adventure begins the moment we step out. When we run, laugh, and leave the ordinary behind, the journey unfolds before us. This is us. Pooja, Rohit, Dipali, and Meyer. A family bound by love, laughter, and adventure. Together, we step into the world, ready to explore, to play, and to make every moment count. The world is full of stories, quiet villages, hidden rivers, jungle trails waiting to be discovered. Sometimes the simplest places hold the most magic. A little river, a shady tree, or the thrill of discovering a tiny cacti in the water. Skipping stones across the water, adventure is better when shared, with family, with laughter, with love. Each smile, each playful moment binds us closer together. The journey may be short, but memories last forever. Every moment leaves its mark on our hearts. And as the day ends, we carry these memories in our hearts, always.